Joseph Leopold Eichler was a real estate developer who built homes in California during the mid-20th century. Eichler's homes were known for their unique architecture, which blended modernist design with the natural beauty of California's landscapes. Eichler's homes were designed with the goal of creating an open and airy living space that would allow residents to feel connected to the outdoors. To achieve this, Eichler's architects utilized a number of innovative design elements, such as floor-to-ceiling windows, skylights, and atriums. These features brought natural light into the homes, giving them a bright and open feeling that was in stark contrast to some of the dark and cramped homes at the time. Another key aspect of Eichler's architecture was the use of natural materials. Eichler's homes were often built with wood, stone, and other natural materials that were locally sourced, giving them a sense of connection to the surrounding landscape. This approach to design helped create a sense of harmony between the homes and their surroundings, making them feel like an extension of the natural environment. The walls between the different rooms often left open, giving the homes a spacious and airy feeling. This natural ventilation system helps keep the home cool and reduces the need for air conditioning. One of Eichler's main goals was to make modernist homes accessible to a wider range of people. He built his houses at a relatively low cost, making them affordable for middle-class families. This approach helped popularize modernist architecture and set the stage for other developers to follow in his footsteps. Despite being built over 60 years ago, Eichler's homes remain popular today. Many of them have been well preserved and are now considered architectural gems. These homes offer the perfect blend of modern design and natural beauty, making them a timeless classic that still resonates with people today.